Hey guys, so I'm just filming an impromptu Boxycharm unboxing. I don't have all my stuff from last month, so I'm not going to be including that. But I figured I might as well just open this up. It's been sitting here for a few days. I am going to do an update about moving soon, as soon as I have some time, but it's just been legitimately the craziest thing ever. So let's open this up. Ooh, okay, let's see what this one is called. Galaxy Glow. Ooh, so right off the bat, I am loving these. So these are some crown brushes. This is a 3-piece trio. And I love the pink. Let's see if I can open these one-handed. Ooh, I love that. So cute. I don't know that I ever want to use these though. I just want to sit them on my vanity. Someday when I have a vanity again. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right. Next is, ooh, I like Pure. I like that brand. This is XOXO Lips. What? It's just white? Okay, I'm going to have to read more about this because I am not sure what this is supposed to be. Okay, Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Ooh. Is it lip gloss? Look at my one-handed opening skills. Ooh, okay. Looks like some sort of gloss. We will look at that more in a second. And there is an Ofra. What is this? Is this a bronzer? Oh, a blush winter rose glow. Okay, and a palette. Oh, there's a pencil first. This is the vintage smoky eye pencil in black. Okay, not so impressed with that. Got tons of those types of eyeliners. I think this is a... Okay, so this is an Ofra palette. That's really nice to get, actually. But I wish I had more colors. This is cool. This is fun. So this is actually my last Boxycharm because... Oh, okay. Because when the next Boxycharm is scheduled to arrive, I'm going to be in between my house here and my new house. So I have nowhere for it to be delivered. And I didn't want to just have the mail stopped. And I didn't know how the delivering would work. So I just canceled it. And then I'll hop back on when I can. So let's look at this. Ofra Cosmetics Pop-Up Mini Palette is $19 and the blush is $12. The Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is shimmering cream color that is crease proof enough for the boldest eye looks. Oh, so it's not a lip gloss. But it says effect anywhere on the face. Okay, let me... So that's what it looks like. Pretty, pretty. I don't know if I would want to put it on my eyes, but I think I can make that work. Okay, I'm really interested about the what the heck is this lip thing? Plumping Lip Exfoliator, really? Instant boost of shea butter, 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil. That is very interesting. I'm excited to see that. And then the brush set is $30. This eye pencil is $21. You got to be kidding me. It's like, this looks like $5. That is what I would pay for this. No, $21, no. Should we open the blush? It's a little bit of a warm bronzer, but I think it could be really pretty, especially for the summer. We'll pop this baby in there. I really hate putting out the subpar quality content on my channel, but I really wanted to open this and I wanted you guys to open it with me. So I decided to go ahead and do it anyway. And let me think what I got last month. I know I got the Metals Glam palette. I did end up giving it away. The blush and the bronzer, I really like that. It's really creamy from Pure. What else did I end up getting? Honestly, I don't remember what the rest is, but that's all I've got for you today. a nice short and sweet unboxing. Hopefully I'll be back to my regular videos soon. I've got an awesome update about my new filming space in my new house, which I'll have to tell you guys about. And I think that's all for today. So here's a good look at everything, and I will see you guys next time.